This is another episode of Feature Friday, and today we will be discussing about a very important feature, which is mock server management with Astit. So before diving into the feature directly, let's know about who he is and what is his role in Sparrow.
So, hey Anmol.
Hi.
Firstly, let me tell about myself.
Okay.
I am Astit Patle, as you know. Currently, I work at Techno as a software engineer.
Okay.
And currently, I'm working on my flagship product, Sparrow, basically, which is API testing tool, which we'll talk about more later. So, basically, my role revolves around developing flagship features for Sparrow, like mock server, API marketplace, API testing tool. Like we have another more features like Teams workspace collaboration feature. So, my whole role revolves around developing the features, leading the end-to-end delivery of the features. Yeah.
Okay, that was great. So, can you tell me about when did you join Sparrow?
Yeah, so it was around like we started on working on Sparrow around 1 year ago. So
Okay.
it's almost one and a half year. Right now we are working on Sparrow. So yeah, it's around a year ago.
Okay. So today, can you give me a brief about the feature that we are going to discuss today, because most of our audience is not aware about what it is.
So currently we are going to discuss about mock server.
Okay.
So basically what mock server is kind of feature where we can mock the APIs that are available. Right? So like what happens in real development cycle, what happens whenever we first create the backend part and then we move on to the front end part. But due to this, what happens is the backend, the full development gets delayed. So to solve this, what we have come up with a solution that is mock server, where the front end developer don't need to rely on the backend part. It doesn't matter if backend is ready or not. The backend developer can just mock the collection, like the data of all the APIs which the front end is going to use, and they can share that collection and that server basically with the front end dev. And the front end dev can mock all the data through that feature, and they don't need to rely on that full backend is fully completed or not. They can easily start their front end development right away.
Okay, so is it something like copying the data?
No, nothing like copying. It's basically mocking the data. So copying is data and mocking is data quite different. So what happens is when you mock the data, you can have multiple requests. That multiple requests can contain multiple responses. Now the responses can come on base scenario, like it happens in real time, where the network can delay. You want responses like with different body, different responses is coming, different header, different responses coming. So this is kind of mocking the data as per the real world scenarios to ease the development and fast pace the development.
So when did you came up with this idea that now we don't want them to depend on the backend, and we want to give them a mock server feature so that they will not rely on the backend?
Look, it's not like that they will not rely on. The backend will definitely come into the part, but it's just that the front end process has to start quite early. Because previously what used to happen, the backend used to first complete it, and then the people used to develop the front end. So what we wanted that both the development, front end and back end development should work parallel, should develop parallelly basically. So to solve that problem, we are providing mock server.
Okay, so basically you want them to be on the same line while working on the product.
Yeah,
that's
we can say.
Okay, so like that was great to listen about, but can you tell me more about what things are going to come up in it, or what iterations are you planning? What new things can people do with it?
Okay, so currently we have already reached the phase 1 of mock server. We are going to plan the phase 2, which is in pipeline currently, where we are going to deliver multiple new features basically. One of the features is going to be the configuration feature. So what configurations means basically, currently you can only mock responses there with a particular request. In future, we are going to provide the user the option of request matching. Request matching means basically they can compare the body, and as per the if body is different, a different response is going to come. If header is different, a different response is going to come. Along with this, we are also going to provide them network latency feature, because in real world we know that network can delay. It can happen that your internet speed is quite slow. So it can create the latency basically during the phase of development.
Can you explain, but can you explain latency, like what
latency means delay?
Okay.
In simple words, it's basically delay. Like you have order something, internet is slow, and it is taking time basically.
Yeah.
It will take 5 seconds, 10 seconds. So to mock that thing also, we are going to provide them network delay option. So that is something which is in pipeline, which will come in maybe 2 or 3 weeks later. So these are two main features that are going to come. We also have planning of something like multiple responses based on ratios and multiple more things that we will talk later.
Of course, yeah, we can always have a second episode to talk about that.